Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video I will be creating a hairstyle inspired by Radhika Apte. She wore this one for one of the Divya's videos and I really liked it, so here I am recreating it. All you have to do is start with side parting and take a section from one of the sides, divide into further 3 sections, and the right section goes under the middle section, then the left goes under the middle section, and as you repeat the steps you add more hair to the side sections. And I do have a complete detailed tutorial on Dutch braid, so you can check that out if you have any confusions. You have to repeat these steps till you reach your ear level, and at your ear level you have to add hair only to the front section and not to the back section. This will help you avoid bumps, and but if you do get bumps, I will share how to rectify it. Now once you have you basically move past your ear level, you have to braid normally and then tie it off with an elastic rubber band like so, and then you have to basically repeat the same steps on the other side. Take a section, divide into 3, right goes under the middle, left goes under the middle, and as you repeat the steps you add more hair to the side sections, and you continue doing this till your ear level. And moving past your ear level you basically create a normal braid and then tie it off with an elastic rubber band. Now once your braids are ready, you have to basically make it fuller. This will basically give you that voluminous yet messy kind of look. It really looks good. It defines the hairstyle. I really like that, and I always do that with all of my braids. So this is one step I would never miss. So you can also give it a try. And once you're happy with the way your braids look, just make a low ponytail with all your hair and release the elastic rubber bands from the braids. Now since I could not have a look at how her bun was, so I just made my regular messy bun at the back, and I really liked how the final look turned out. For the bumps, just smooth out with a comb and then just pin it up. And that's it. That's the hairstyle. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. And if you do recreate, please do tag me as well, and I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys so much. Mwah.